everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. I have a couple of random unboxings. One in a bag, one in a box. So we'll see what I got today. I'm not really sure what they are. I think one is my card case for my Small World mini bag, but I'm not sure what's in the box. So we'll see what we got today. We just got back from Hope, BC, and it's pretty icy up there. So if anybody's traveling up that way, please be careful. It's pretty dicey. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, and make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss out. And that's Ted in the background, my wonderful husband. What we've been doing is, see that hummingbird feeder? Every 2 hours, because it's so cold here, it freezes up like a slushie. So we have 2 feeders, and we're swapping them out every 2 hours for our hummingbirds. So that's the way it is in Canada, because it's very cold and it's frozen. Alright, so the bag that I'm currently rocking is my Loungefly Haunted Mansion 50th Anniversary Satchel. It's got the Gargoyle on there, Madame Leota, the Hatbox Ghost, and the HM for Haunted Mansion. It's a very cool bag. So, alright, let's go ahead and get into the unboxings and see what I got here. I think this one is my card case. Yep, it is. Okay. 1 for 1. This is very hard to get. I don't know why. But it's the Small World card case, and it will match my mini backpack. So I thought this was pretty cool. This retails for $14.99 US. And I think I got this for half price on eBay. But the shipping is what kills you, because it goes through international shipping. And the shipping is more than the item. But if you want the item, then gotta pay the price until hopefully someday the borders will open. But that's a pretty cool item. And then it's got the ID in the back. Alright, so that's the first one. This one feels like a box, so let's see here. Got my blade. And let's see what we got here. Alright. Sometimes this stuff is harder to get open than other times. Let's try this way. So I hope everybody's staying safe, and if you're in frozen area like we are, make sure that you help your neighbors if you can. There we go, finally. Alright, let's see what's in this box here. Was in a bag, and now I found a box. So, alright, oh, it goes out like that. Alright. Oh, it's from Chanel. Oh, okay. Alright, I wasn't expecting that for a while, but that's alright. Okay, comes in a box like that if you haven't seen the Chanel makeup. And this is the receipt. Alright, this is pretty cool packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox the Chanel makeup, basically. Nice ribbon as usual. Alright, you get a little pouch like this. You get a couple of samples. These pouches come in handy too. That's great for, like, if you're going to travel and put your jewelry in there, or maybe some lipstick. Put a lot of stuff in there. Alright, this is Coco Mademoiselle, Chanel Paris. It gives you a little sample. This smells great. And this is Essence. This is Gabrielle Chanel Paris. This is the new one there. I haven't tried that one yet, so I thought I would get a sample and try it. So that's nice about the samples, is that you can try it before you know, spend a lot of money and it doesn't really smell good on you. But you can always give them as gifts too, so. Alright, and let's see here. Alright, so I got this here. You get a bunch of stuffing, basically. Alright. And this is their let's see what it is here. It's 887 Metallic Bloom nail color. Alright, and let's see what it looks like. This is limited edition. Ooh, this is pretty. Alright. And the trick to these nail polishes, I did not know this, is you pop the top, then you undo the top if you can. Alright, that's pretty hard. Ah, there we go, finally. I guess you gotta go strong arm strong on it. Wow, that's a cool color. Alright, so I'll be swapping this out today. And I'll leave pictures on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at susansrstyle. And then you just pop it on like that, and away you go. Alright, so that was a surprise. I wasn't expecting the Chanel nail polish today, but that's cool that I got it, and I can share it with you. Alright, so those are my 2 unboxings for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye now.